Hello everyone, this is Aisha and welcome to our 64th Kotlin tutorial, and in this tutorial I'll be talking about the enum classes in Kotlin programming language. So an enum class contains a number of constants, and enum class can be created by using the enum keyword. So now enum is actually a data type which contains a number of constants, and these constants can be printed, can be initialized, can be traversed through. So now how you can create an enum class by using the keyword enum. Then we will have the keyword class, and then after this we will have the name of our enum class. For example, color is the name of the enum class, and then the body of the enum class. Now I'm going to create constants. For example, red, we will have blue, we will have green, yellow, and so on. So these are the enum constants. Red is the first constant, then we have blue, then green, and so on. So now I want to initialize these constants. How would you do that? By creating a variable here. For example, code is a variable of integer type, and now here you can see we have errors, so we have to give some value to these constants. For example, red has 1 2 3 as its code, blue has 3 4 5, and green has 2 3. Okay, green has 4 5 6, and yellow has 7 8 9. So this is the code, or we can say that these are the values of the enum constant. Red contains 1 2 3, blue contains 3 4 5, and so on. Now in the main function I'm going to traverse through these elements of the, or these constants of the enum class. Now I'm going to use the for loop, and then the keyword in. So I will iterate through or traverse through these items, the values of these items or the constants. Then we will have the name of our class, which is color, and then we will use a function which is values function, which will get the value of these enum constants. Then we will have the body of the for loop. So inside the body of the for loop we will have print line and then in print line I'm going to use this variable which is actually traversing through the elements or through the values of the constants, enum constants. Then in print line I will type I dot the code. So this code is the variable which contains the values of enum constants. So when I run the program, you will see this code or this value, these values of enum constants will be printed out on the output screen. So now here you can see 1 2 3 3 4 5 4 5 6 and so on. So what we did in this tutorial, we have created an enum class, and the name of this enum class is color, and then we have created this enum class using the keyword enum. So inside the parameters we have a variable of integer data type, and then inside this enum class body we have the enum constants red, blue, green, and yellow, and then we have initialized these constants by putting these parentheses, and inside the parentheses we have the value for the enum constant. Now we are traversing through these values of the enum constants by using the for loop. Then we have the variable, then the keyword in, and then we have used the name of the enum class, then the dot annotation, and then we have the values function which will get the values of the enum constants. And then inside the body of the for loop we have this print line statement which prints each value. So I dot code here means at first iteration I equals 1 2 3, at second iteration I equals 3 4 5, and so on. So this is how you can get the values or print the values of enum constants. So guys, that's it for this tutorial. Thank you guys for watching the video, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.